Y'all call for medic if you get hit.
Face off. Face down.
Alright.
Go ahead, buddy.
Just a minute.
Alright, guys, this is the assault of the juniors.
The mini assault.
No, that's on semi, you're good.
Hey, the mini assault.
Yes, this is mini assault.
Mini assault.
Hey, guys, you got 7 minutes. We gotta go.
The ball's in there.
Yeah, but you gotta get pliers before you get the bomb.
Guys, go around.
Right here. Just keep going, buddy.
I got a big gun. Don't kill.
You got it. Hey, don't. Here, let me see. Camera guy coming around. I'm making y'all famous. That is awesome looking. You guys are cool. I'm just watching. Wave to YouTube. Alright, this is the defense. Woo!
That's camera dude.
I'm camera guy. I'm camera guy.
That's camera guy. That's camera guy.
This is the assault coming in. If I'm in your way, tell me, I'll move. Hey, I'm gonna get right behind you, buddy. Keep shooting.
Come on now. He ran to the right, Good thing I had the ball.
Good job, guys. I'm right behind. Hey, okay. I'm right behind you.
Cover, Tristan. Where's Charlie? Go get Charlie. Charlie. Yeah. Charlie, come here. What? Come here. Charlie, I see it.
Yeah, I'm going through real fast, okay? Bonus 30 seconds! I'm coming through. Yeah, I'm right behind you recording. Alright. Game over! Hey, good game, guys. Good game. Little bump. Good job.
Did you saw me?
I saw you. Good job.